Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my October Ipsy Plus box to share with you. They did change the packaging a little bit this month with the Ipsy on the front, and I think that's so cute. I love my Ipsy Plus boxes. I know I say that every month, but I really do enjoy them. To me, it's definitely worth the value. You pay $25, you get 5 full-size products, and I have found some of my favorite products from Ipsy, even going back to when I just did the mini glam bags, like the sample size one. I found so many products, so many new products that I use to this day from my Ipsy bags. So I think my most recently, was it last month or the month before, I got a Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I love that mascara. I use that mascara every day. I purchased another one so that when I run out, I have that one on hand because I love it. So that's one of the things that I was introduced to through Ipsy. There's a couple other like hair products that I was introduced to that I really like, and then moisturizers too. Like I got a Sunday Riley cream. Love it. But anyway, you're here for the October box, right? So let me stop talking and I'll get into the October box. So here it is. So I'll take the card out and I'll have that on hand so I can go through my products. And the new thing, there were a couple changes with Ipsy Plus in October. So one of the things is you can pick one of your products, which I liked, and I think I picked the Pearlies. And then the other thing was, you get a bag. So you get those with your Ipsy Glam bags, like the mini ones, you get the actual bag. And I think with the full size, I see it on the bottom, I think we got one. So we'll get to that. All right, so the first thing I see, yes, I think I did pick this one up. This is by Pearlies. This is the Blue Lotus Brightening Serum. And it says, bring on the glow. This antioxidant-rich, lightweight serum uses a powerhouse of 9 plant extracts to nurture, brighten, hydrate, and repair your skin without irritation or redness. And the hydroquinone-free formula gently fades discolorations too. So this is valued at $68. See what I mean? Like, really good value for this box. Like, it's already worth it. I love my Ipsy Plus. Okay, so here's the bottle. I love that. Let's just see what the texture is and things like that. Oh, the consistency. It's very lightweight. I don't know if I like the smell. Yeah, it's kind of got a weird smell. I almost put my hand to the camera if you could smell it. I don't know. Plastic? It kind of smells like plastic, but it's not horrible. It's just not as pleasant as some of the other creams I've gotten, but I'll still try it. I'll still use it. Yep. All right, so that's the first product. I was taken off guard by that smell, but anyway, the next thing I see is by Jolie, I think it is. So here's the box. And let me see. So this is the Jolie Cosmetics Spectra Stick and Stella. Named after the French word for pretty, Jolie creates one-of-a-kind, high-quality products that inspire confidence. This universally flattering rose quartz highlighter is infused with micro glitter that slides across cheekbones, flawlessly blending onto skin for a subtle, dewy shimmer. It's valued at $26. So let's see. Let's get into this. Oops. Ooh, look at how pretty the packaging is. Oops, there we go. Very pretty. Okay. Ooh, and it comes like this. So it almost looks like a lipstick, but it's not. It's one of those. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm scared. We'll put it on my hand. The dog's behind me. Sorry if you hear noise. Pretty, very pretty. Maybe I'll get brave and experiment and do it on camera one day. We'll see. All right, so let's see what's next. So this is by Lovecraft Beauty. It's a bronzer palette. I love the design. And then let's read about it. Inspired by New Orleans mysticism, makeup artist and founder Franchel, I think that's how you say it. Franchel Daly believes beauty is a connection to your inner magic. These matte bronzers easily blend and build to a natural sun-kissed glow and deftly double as eyeshadows. This is valued at $30. So that's good. Here's the palette. Can you see that? Really pretty colors. I can see them doubling as eyeshadows too, so I'll definitely give that a try. I was just about to order a new bronzer too because I'm running out. I use Too Faced, I think it is, and I really like that one. Okay, oh, and I needed brushes. These are brushes, and these are by Farra. Let's see. Sorry for the noise. I'm gonna see if I can get them open without creating too much of a noise. So there's 3 brushes. Oh, wow. They're really pretty, like royal blue, the actual brush. Just gonna move the plastic. Look how pretty. Wow. I do need new brushes, so I'm excited about these. So these are Betty Boop and Ipsy, oh no, I'm sorry. Farra Brushes Midnight Pro Trio. Perfectly balanced weight, comfort grips, and a subtle midnight blue tint to the fibers. This trio of brushes is the epitome of luxury. Made by a team of beauty lovers, Farra brushes are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and expertly designed for flawless application, valued at $48. So these are really nice brushes. I can't wait to use these. All right, last item. This is, where's Betty Boop and Ipsy Drawn to You eyeliner. I don't use eyeliner a lot. Oh, uh-oh. Yeah, liquid eyeliner. This scares me. Oh, and I got it on my hand. Here, let's do a little swatch of, ooh, wow. Wow, that goes on nice, but I'm not gonna be able to draw like that in my eye. I'll experiment, but let me just tell you a little bit about it. So this is the Betty Boop and Ipsy Drawn to You eyeliner. Inspired by the iconic beauty muse Betty Boop, this Ipster exclusive liquid eyeliner is here to help you obsess over you. The precise tip and jet black pigment help you to create flirty cat eyes, exaggerated wings, and fine lines, whatever strikes your own version of fancy. Valued at $16. So yeah, maybe I'll experiment. It did draw a really nice line, and it was very easy, very, very smooth. All right, so we got the eyeliner. Oh wait, and we did get, look at the cute Betty Boop bag, and the back is sequins. See? Really cute. So I missed these bags from my Ipsy, my regular Ipsy bags that I got, like the sample size bags, because I use them for like lipsticks. I think I mentioned that before. So I'm excited we're gonna start getting them, but I don't need too many. So anyway, we got that. We got the eyeliner. We got the bronzer palette by Lovecraft. We got the Pearlies, which I don't know if I like the smell, but we'll see how it goes. And then the Jolie Spectra stick. And then the Farra brushes. So I can't wait to try these. All right, thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I look forward to seeing what everyone else received in their Ipsy Plus boxes, or their regular ones, or the Ultimate, which, yeah, interesting, right? So anyway, thanks again, and I will see you all in my next video.